Hello everyone, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a menu in Shopify. So I have set up and then I note down and then I note how I exactly create the menu. So first of all, in my menu, first of all I will keep the home. Okay, so let's organize this. It will be easier for copy paste for the next time. Okay, home. Okay, so I'm gonna to create a menu I have to click the online store. Then from here I have to click the navigation. After the creating navigation I have to click the menu. So from here I will click the add, and from here first of all I'm gonna add the home. So I will give just home. I will delete the page and then I will click here and then I will make it drag and drop at the top. Okay, so I'm gonna click the next one, which is like collections. Okay, so I'm gonna not all the collections, so I'll keep hash. It will be drop down. Okay, that's why I will keep it like that. If you want to create a drop down, you have to create like that. So first of all, and then later on I'm gonna copy all of my collection name, which is this one. This is first collection name. I will paste it here and I will select here. Okay, so I will copy and next, which is this one, and I will paste it. If I paste under the link, it will automatically track and then it automatically will find out this collection name. Okay, then it will automatically come here. Okay, so I will drag and drop as a submenu like that. Okay, so you can see I have created the submenu. So now what I'm gonna do it for the next. Okay, I will delete it. For the submenu I have to click here and then I have to copy the second one, which is the gaming and accessories, and then I'm gonna copy here, and after that I'll click the collection and from here I will select it. Okay, it's gonna be done. So now let's move the next one. So if you cannot organize your collection, just reach out to me, then I'm gonna help you. Okay, so that's really important to create a user-friendly navigation on the Shopify store. Otherwise people cannot understand what kind of service you are selling, what kind of product you are selling. That's why you must need to organize your collection proper way. Most of the people are making a lot of mistake, that's why they are not getting enough sales. Okay, so I guess you understand. Now health and comfort, and our team exactly adding a lot of product under this collection. Just I'm creating the menu and then our team creating adding product on this collection. Okay, I hope you understand. So now let's move to the next one, which is the fashion and lifestyle. I will copy here and then I will paste it here. You're gonna see that it's gonna come here automatically after pasting this on the link. Okay, so you can see I have a few more remaining to add. Okay, so travel and outdoor and also collection, and click here, and what I'm gonna do, click the collection and then I will click here. It's gonna be done. Now let's move the next one, which is the new arrivals. Okay, so it's not gonna be a submenu, so I will click here. So now I will add the new arrivals. I don't have a collection for that, so first of all I have to create the collection, but since I didn't create any collections I will keep it the hash. Okay, so next I will go for this one, bestseller, and I will click here and then I will add here. Oh, it's still I don't have any collection of the bestseller. About us, maybe we already have about us, I'm not sure. Let's click the pages. No, yes, I have about us, and let's click the contact us, and let's paste here and then contact us page gonna come. Okay, oh, I don't have a contact us page. Let's see, yes, contact. So you can see contact pages, contact us. Perfect. So I will click all the tick here, and I have to create two more collection to add here. So level cannot be blank, which, let's see if maybe some collection level blank. I'm not sure exactly what they are talking about. Let's save again. Link cannot be blank. Okay, so let's add other pages, but later on I'm gonna change it. Okay, like that. Still, let's see what the issue. Collections. Well, let's add the collection. Let's save it now. Let's see. Still this is problem. I don't know exactly why this is happening. So I am showing you, since I got the problem, it's opportunity for you how I fix that. Everything gone. Let's try this out again. Okay, so guys, I think if I make it again, it's gonna be fixed. So let's save it. Let's see what happened. It's currently getting saved. Okay, I think it's gonna be saved now. Shop all, and I have to click the another. Okay, so let's add the hash here. Just I'm gonna see that if I click the save, is there any problem? Yeah, currently getting okay, so I'm gonna add the all the collection like that. Okay, so yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So right now what I'm gonna do exactly, this way I will say to my team member to create a collection like that. I will send this, and then he gonna create. Just I'm showing because so that you can exactly understand how I create the collection in Shopify. By the end of the day you can create your own. Okay, so I hope you understand. So if you like this video, let us know. If you don't like, also let us know. And also what kind of video you are looking for in the next time or in future, so let me know. I will try to help you, and then also I will try to create video for you so that you can get a lot of help from me. My goal is only to help you to grow your business by running ads, by creating your one page store, by creating one product store, by creating multi-vendor store, by creating any store, by creating multi-store. Okay, so I hope you understand, guys. It was my video. So if you like this video, please let me know. And also I already told you that if you don't like, please let me know. I will try to improve my video quality. So if you want to also visit my website, there we provide e-commerce service, which is this one, video web boost. So you can visit. We are providing, you can see here that we are providing service like dental, roofing, solar, and e-commerce businesses, because we are providing specific service. By the end of the day I can exactly help some specific niche. I cannot be expert for each niche. So I hope you understand. So guys, if you, it was our video. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. So I still say again, thank you for watching this video.